In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add all rights reserved to your Shopify store's footer. This is a fantastic way to reinforce the professionalism of your online store and ensure that your intellectual property is well protected. Let's dive into the steps, and I'll guide you through the process. First, you need to access your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the control center of your online store where all the magic happens, giving you the power to customize your store's layout and design. Once you're there, focus on the left-hand side of the screen and locate the section named Online Store. Click on it and you'll see an option labeled Themes appear. Go ahead and click that as well. Now you're looking at your active theme, which is essentially the current design of your store. This is where we'll be making the adjustments. You'll notice an Actions button next to it. Click on Actions, and from the drop-down menu, select Edit Code. This will bring you to a new page filled with various theme files. In this part of Shopify, you'll see multiple folders lined up in the sidebar on the left. What you're looking for is a folder named Sections. Open this folder up, and inside, look for a file named footer.liquid. Or something similar that pertains to the footer markup of your website. This file is what we'll be working on today. Upon opening footer.liquid, your task is to find the line of code that outputs the copyright information. This may look something like this. C, now, date, %y, shopped name, link to routes.root URL. Essentially, this line is dynamically pulling the current year and your shop's name, displaying it in your store's footer to keep it current without requiring manual updates every year. What we want to do is enhance this line to also include all rights reserved. To do this, right after the existing code, add this text so it reads as follows. C, now, date, %i, shop.name, link to routes, root URL. Heat. All rights reserved. Make sure everything is typed out correctly to avoid any glitches in the display of your footer. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, it's time to save your changes. You'll typically see a Save button at the top or bottom of the editing page. Simply click this, and your new footer message will be saved into your theme's code. Finally, let's preview your store to ensure everything looks as expected. Navigate to your store's homepage and scroll down to the footer. You should now see All Rights Reserved following your copyright information. This addition confirms your ownership and can help in the protection of your content. With these steps completed, your Shopify store now reflects a more professional and legally covered appearance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.